Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to configure the Service Package add-on in BookingPress. Go to the BookingPress add-ons page. This is the BookingPress add-ons page. Now, activate the Service Package add-on. The add-on has been activated successfully. Now, go to the Packages page. This is the Manage Packages page, where you can see the package list and also add a new package. I have already created a package. Now, let's edit it. This is the package. Add images, enter the package name, and set the duration and price. You can also set a per-customer limit. You can also add a package description. After that, add services to your package. I have already added one single service and one group service. Click the Add New button to add services. Here, you can choose between single service and group service. I will show you how to add both single and group services. After setting everything up, click the Save button to save your package. Now, go to the BookingPress Customize page. Open the Package Booking tab. This is the Package Booking Customization page where you can make changes based on your requirements. BookingPress provides multiple form options. You can also customize the package label as per your requirements. Now, go to the Front-End Packages page. This is the BookingPress Packages page, where you can see the list of packages with details. Now, click the Buy Now button. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. Otherwise, click the Sign Up link. Enter the required details and click the Sign Up button. Your account has been created. Accept the terms and conditions, then click the Submit button. This is the package payment page, where you can see the total amount and other payment options. Select the payment gateway and enter your card details. Then, click the Buy Package button. The package has been successfully purchased. Now, go to the My Bookings page. This is the My Bookings page. Open the My Packages tab. Here, you can see the purchased package with full details. Now, I'll show you how to redeem this package while booking a service. Book the service just like you normally would. This is the Booking Summary page, where you can see booking details and payment options. Select your package and click the Redeem button. As you can see, the package has been applied and the total payable amount is $0, because this service is included in your package. Now, click the Book Appointment button. Your appointment has been booked. Now, go to the My Bookings page. Here, you can see your booked appointment along with the details. You can also see a package icon, which indicates that this appointment is included in your package. Now, open the My Packages tab. Open the package details, and you will see that your appointment count has been reduced.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.